Hello, and welcome to the highlights video for Sage Intacct 2024 Release 4, available November 8th, 2024. We're excited to introduce a variety of enhancements that will help up-level your Sage Intacct experience. At Sage Intacct, we're elevating the work of humans with AI and automation, freeing time from mundane tasks so finance teams can focus on higher-value work. Sage's mission is to knock down barriers so everyone can thrive. 2024 Release 4 delivers enhancements across four major themes: strength in financials, control and compliance, platform scalability, and industry insights. But before we get into the highlights, we want to make a special announcement regarding our newest entrance into AI with Sage Copilot. The first Sage Copilot features are now available in Sage Intacct for early adopters. By comparing budgeted amounts with actuals or analyzing current versus prior period actuals, controllers and CFOs can quickly spot accounting errors and significant variances. Traditionally, this process has taken hours of manual effort, generating reports, notifying budget owners, waiting for investigations, and identifying corrective actions. Sage Copilot Variance Analysis transforms this workflow. It offers instant access to insights for controllers, department managers, and location managers, automatically alerting budget owners when variances arise. With this real-time visibility, budget owners can check their spending anytime, make informed adjustments, and work proactively with the finance team to address issues. With Sage Copilot Variance Analysis, the entire team can save time on reporting and focus more on strategy, ensuring financial accuracy, and empowering everyone to make quicker, smarter decisions. Introducing the early adopter release of our new semantic search engine, designed to revolutionize the way you find help and answers within Sage Intacct. With natural language understanding, Copilot comprehends the nuances of Sage Intacct terminology and can interpret complex queries. It also provides intelligent suggestions for related topics and articles to expand your knowledge. Additionally, it can significantly reduce search time and the need for multiple searches by quickly delivering more relevant results. While it's still in its early phases, we're offering a limited number of users a chance to check out this innovative solution. Let's get started with strength in financials. The first feature we'd like to highlight is new customer and vendor reconciliation reports. This feature allows you to automatically match payments with corresponding bills, invoices, and adjustments, significantly reducing manual effort. With flexible filters for matched, unmatched, and partially matched transactions, you can quickly identify discrepancies and focus on exceptions, boosting overall efficiency and accuracy in your financial operations. Next up, let's take a look at our enhanced customization for AR statements. These have been upgraded to include a running balance total, eliminating the need for manual calculations after each transaction. This feature allows you to see the impact of each transaction on the total amount due, enabling you to compare it with your own records. Additionally, businesses operating in multiple currencies can now add a currency field to the aging table, reducing confusion for international clients. These enhancements streamline communications, minimize errors, and create a better experience for both local and international clients. We're excited to introduce a new update for our customers who perform financial transactions and generate reports using Sage Intacct. We are offering complimentary certification to prove your expertise. Visit the Sage Intacct page in Sage University, select View Complimentary Courses, and then get certified. If you're an Intacct Accountant Consultant/MSP partner, you should take the Accounting Consultant Certification Assessment instead. We look forward to seeing your posts and shares on LinkedIn. Now, let's switch focus to our region-specific highlights for strength in financials. We are introducing two new features for our customers in France. First up is General Ledger Manual Lettrage, which allows you to manually reconcile general ledger transactions within designated accounts. With flexible filtering and an assigned lettering sequence for transaction matching, it simplifies the reconciliation process. Additionally, it generates detailed reports with match results, providing transparency and accuracy. In addition, companies using a French tax schedule can now save time by using the Bank Transaction Assistant. Customer payments can be created automatically from bank feed data. These payments can be automatically applied to open customer invoices or used to create an advance. Shifting gears, let's talk about control and compliance. Tax season is coming once again, and that means that Sage Intacct has you covered with our annual 1099 updates. All new requirements are accounted for in the backend, so you continue to have effortless 1099 filing. Since 2023, the IRS has required that all organizations with over 10 forms must file electronically to comply with legal requirements. And with 1099 e-filing powered by Tax Bandits, we've done all the work to keep you compliant without any effort for the 2024 tax season. For the 14,000 plus users that have e-filing enabled, and for all new users, as before, you can simply click a button and have your 1099 data securely and accurately electronically transmitted. In addition, customers using custom VAT tax solutions can now generate tax submissions to track which transactions are included in filings done outside of Intacct. You can associate transactions with specific submissions, use custom reports to pull data for external filings, and mark submissions as filed once done. This locks the transactions for accurate tracking and reporting. This feature is available in an early adopter program, so as you use this feature, please provide your feedback for improvement. Still on tax-related features, we are excited to announce that for businesses with complex tax needs, Sage Intacct now allows you to override tax rules in purchasing and order entry without adjusting the full tax setup. You can apply tax rules for common scenarios and bypass less frequent ones, improving efficiency and reducing the burden of complex tax configurations. In addition, we have enhanced the tax detail functions to give you more flexibility when selecting transactions for tax submissions. This ensures only relevant transactions are included. For example, in Canada, you can now better manage reporting for both provincial and federal taxes. On top of that, we've also extended this control to tax schedules, allowing customers to prevent unnecessary tax coding in purchase and order transactions, reducing errors and improving efficiency. We're also excited to introduce a new enhanced tax setup for Canada. This covers expanded scenarios and provides a simpler out-of-the-box configuration to reduce setup time. It removes outdated tax codes and includes built-in, not-for-profit tax rebate features. It also streamlines tax setup, improves ITC tax rebates for nonprofits, and makes optional elements like contact and item tax groups, tax schedules, and maps, reducing overall complexity. Now, let's dive into features that enhance the scalability of our platform, starting off strong with our beta release of new language options in French Canadian and Spain Spanish. Our current language support for standard Parisian French has many terms and expressions that are not used in the French Canadian language. This new translation accommodates these discrepancies. Our French Canadian customers will benefit from a language-specific version that addresses their linguistic nuances. We also can't wait for users to test out our Spain Spanish as well. These languages are being released in beta so that we can get feedback from you and make continuous enhancements before the anticipated general availability in the first half of next year. Another way we are enhancing our platform is through lists. Lists are a critical part of many of your everyday activities. As you work through your tasks, you need ways to find the right information to do your job and to personalize the way you work with this information. By providing the right filtering, personalization, and configuration tools, the new list experience in Sage Intacct makes your team more efficient and effective. The new lists provide key features like smart filtering, work lists with split views, and more. And best of all, they're all customizable, so you can personalize your experience based on your organization's needs. Our beta customers have told us that the new lists can even replace basic reporting, reducing the need to create and generate reports to support daily activities. With 2024 Release 4, these new capabilities will be available for over 100 more lists. Just select Turn on Lists Beta interface. We are pleased to announce that REST API is moving to early adopter. Now, customers and developers can connect with production environments using a production-ready API. With support for open API specifications and detailed documentation, integrating your solutions with Sage Intacct is easier than ever. The final platform scalability feature in this release is Platform Services Translation Management. This feature simplifies the platform application internationalization process by allowing you to export and import translations for multiple UI components in a single spreadsheet. It also enables you to enhance efficiency with bulk translation updates, reducing manual effort and errors. With this feature, you can empower your developers to manage localization processes seamlessly, allowing them to extend Intacct with platform applications across different markets. Switching gears to industry insights, the first feature highlight in this category is Employee Expense Automation, now generally available. This feature is designed to streamline your expense reporting process. Now you can easily submit receipts via email from any device, directly integrating them into Sage Intacct and eliminating the hassle of manual data entry. With the power of AI and machine learning, our solution automatically pre-populates fields on your expense reports, saving you valuable time while ensuring accuracy. This much-requested capability enhances our native employee expense feature, allowing you to manage your expenses efficiently and effortlessly. Next up is our new feature for automating service period start and end dates in contracts. This much-requested enhancement streamlines how service period data flows into the invoicing process, reducing manual input and saving valuable time. With automated default values and seamless integration for usage records, you can boost efficiency and provide clear, accurate insights to your customers. Also, you can access the new service period invoice template directly from the platform library to make your invoicing even easier. Simplify your invoicing and free up time for more strategic tasks today. Another exciting new feature is retainage for projects and grants. With retainage capabilities, you can manage expected retainage on sales orders and purchase orders. As invoices are created, retainage amounts are automatically calculated for the invoice. You can then override retainage amounts as needed before posting. Upon posting, you have full visibility into resulting AR, AP, and GL posting details. As commitments are satisfied, you can easily release retainage at the appropriate time. Retainage capabilities enable customers to efficiently and accurately manage retainage agreements with customers and vendors. Now, let's take a moment to highlight our connectors featured in this release. First up is Continental Utility, which provides industry-leading solutions for utility billing: water, sewer, gas, and electric. The Continental Utility connector provides the ability to flow data from Continental Utility to Sage Intacct to provide 360 views of the health of the organization. We are ecstatic to provide users with a best-in-class connected solution between Sage Intacct and Continental Utility. Next up is the Conso connector. Conso helps you manage the complexities of residential housing and the tenant lifecycle. Now seamlessly integrated with Sage Intacct, Conso and Sage are offering a modern cloud solution for property and financial management of residential housing. This helps meet compliance requirements as well as provides accurate and complete data to increase property management's competitiveness and sustainability. We are exhilarated about this new partnership. Back to more industry highlights. We are now offering time clocks, which enhances how time is tracked both on the web and mobile devices. This new clock-in and clock-out functionality provides accurate records of when employees start and finish shifts, as well as their breaks. This feature not only supports effective time collection, but also ensures compliance with labor laws by maintaining detailed records of hours worked. With this release, we're making it easier to manage and track time for a wider range of employees, with expanded capabilities to come with future releases. Time clocks will be available in Sage Intelligent Time at the end of November. Another Sage Intelligent Time feature is rate cards, which makes it easier for clients to understand costs upfront. Rate cards establish clear and consistent pricing structures for businesses to make billing more efficient. Rates can be set per person, per task, or at the project level, affording customers flexibility. Rate cards will be available in mid-December. Moving along, we're elated to announce greater flexibility in Sage Fixed Assets Management. You can now allocate depreciation expenses automatically, making it easier to distribute costs across different parts of your organization. Additionally, we've improved the scheduled posting feature, allowing you to customize posting dates and avoid transactions being posted to close periods. Before we wrap up, let's also explore some highlights for our construction customers. Managing your construction projects just got easier with our enhanced WIP management feature. Now you can sort, group, and display projects using new attributes like Project Manager, Project Type, Status, Location, Department, Class, and Customer. These additional options streamline your workflow, allowing you to quickly access key data points, stay organized, and make faster, more informed decisions. Tailor your project views to fit your needs, ensuring better oversight and more efficient management. Simplify your WIP management and keep your projects on track with ease. Lastly, managing time and material or cost-based project billing for project contracts is now easier than ever. Previously, we itemized build expenses summarized by project contract line. Now all build expenses are itemized, with links back to the source documents for easier review. We've also added this itemized expense table to our document templates for use on invoices generated by Intacct. Additionally, there's a new option to automatically zip all supporting documentation for build expenses and attach them to customer invoices generated by the system. That's all of our highlights for today. We hope you're excited to get into the product and try everything out. For the complete list of feature updates as well as more details on how to use and configure these features, please visit the in-product release notes. Sage Intacct 2024 Release 4 is available on November 8th. Thank you for watching.